What's going on, Shark Squad? Jake here at Universal Studios Hollywood today, and we're gonna get an update around the entire park. Right now I'm inside of Super Nintendo Land. Mario Kart's currently posted at 3 hours, so we're gonna go inside and see how long the wait actually is. Beautiful sunny day here, and I'm really excited for everything. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. Morgan & Morgan, America's largest injury law firm. Servicing over 49 states with 800 plus lawyers. Morgan & Morgan is bound to make things awesome for you, just like this. Injured and don't know where to start? With Morgan & Morgan, it's so easy. With Morgan & Morgan, you could submit a claim without ever having to leave the couch. In 8 clicks or less, you could submit a claim to Morgan & Morgan. Size does matter. Pound law. Morgan & Morgan for the people. The current posted wait for Mario Kart is 180 minutes. We'll see how long that line actually is. This waiting area that they have is just absolutely gigantic. We went upstairs. They have outdoor switchbacks on the 2nd floor, and then you go back downstairs before going inside. The scale of this room is very impressive. Lots of height to it. We've been waiting for slightly over an hour now, and we are inside of Bowser's castle. The theming in here is insanely good. We've received our little Mario hats. It's where the VR or AR thing clips onto, but pretty snazzy looking. You ready? Alright, we just got off Mario Kart. The posted wait was 3 hours, the actual wait was an hour and a half. And that was my first time ever going on Mario Kart, and I gotta say, it was awesome. I was very impressed with the whole ride, and I'm just blown away by this entire Nintendo world here. It is crazy. The detail here, the kinetic energy, it's all just incredible. The Toadstool Cafe is currently fully booked for the day, but a little pro tip is if you go on that website, the online booking website, and just refresh it throughout the day, you might find available reservations as people cancel. Look at this guy go. Oh, he's falling down. He went away, but he comes up and he runs for a bit. Really cool. The movement is so fluid. Wow. They've added a plethora of Fast X billboards along the side of the Mummy. Speaking of the Mummy, pretty busy, currently posted at 50 minutes. Outdoor queue in use. We're going up the Starway here, back up to the upper lot, and big changes here at the park. They have construction walls up around Castle Theater and around the old animal actors in preparation for the new highly rumored Fast and Furious roller coaster. Along with that, they have lots of Halloween Horror Nights updates around the park that we're gonna try to take a look at throughout the day. As we continue to head up the Starway, we can see this Universal City neon sign. Now this looks really cool from the freeway, but it's rumored that this is gonna be demolished along with the Castle Theater, which is right here for the Fast and Furious coaster. Now as we look this way up towards the animal actors stage, there's this blue dumpster here, which they must be using to gut out the buildings as they prepare to demolish them over the next coming weeks. They also have some construction fences right here along the roadway here. Must be getting ready to get this construction project underway. Now it's rumored that the station for the ride is going to be up here, and this is going to run this hillside here in a thrilling high-speed roller coaster. Up here at the top of the escalators, we could see more construction walls here, and then this camouflaged one all up around the Castle Theater as they prepare to demolish it. Here's the man himself, the legend, JP Land.
What's up, everyone? It's a beautiful day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. I hope you guys are having fun.
Here we see the special effects show. The banner is all faded out, and they have these construction walls up around the former attraction, getting ready for demolition. Now here they've actually removed some of the electronics from inside of the sign and the word special. Now it's just the effects show. But this whole area will be demolished here in the near future. The Production Central store is now closed. They recently did like a big clearance event here, getting it ready to be demolished. Over here at the former animal actors, we could see some construction equipment getting ready to rip this place up. On the left, you can see the old bird cage. And that directly behind the bulldozer deal is the theater, and they've started a little bit of demo work, but it should pick up this coming week.
Looks like they're already ripping out the foundation. It's just crazy how fast they're working. This attraction closed not too long ago, and they already got their demolition permits, and they're getting ready to build something new very soon.
Well said, well said. We're about to go on Jurassic World the ride. It's a 55-minute wait, and we're here at the very front.
In the age of the dinosaurs, a vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus.
You are clear for entry.
Rest in peace, Kevin.
All right, we're about to head on to the Universal Studio Tour, and hopefully we get to see the courthouse area. Every time Jake visits, it's always closed off, so fingers crossed we get to see it today.
Our first update here from the studio tour is going to be this construction fencing in preparation for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift Coaster, which is going to run this whole area. On our right here is the Universal Studios fire station coming up. And now what's cool is they have the old entrance sign from Backdraft in here. I'm going to see if we get a good shot of it.
It's roughly 98% soundproof, and these days the vast majority of filmmaking happens inside of them. Now we're heading to stages.
We got a Horror Nights house going on over here to the right. Right here behind Transformers. Here's the facade coming up.
That you got all the music for your soundtrack and any sound effects that you may need for your production before you give it on out. Weta Effects has got quite a lot to celebrate. They recently won another Academy Award. Films, it could be a nice little build up to a flash flood. Uh-oh, y'all, I hope you brought your ponchos.
JP, tell us a little bit about the world-famous studio tour here at Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of Los Angeles.
You know, it's a great way to learn about movies, and yeah.
Well said, well said.
It is now, Stink Pickle.
Don't you?
That's better.
Fauci! It was the bees, you guys are right.
It looks like there's a swarm of bees.
So there was just a big swarm of bees, and they canceled the show because of those bees.
Notice that there's no Halloween Horror Nights construction going on here, which usually would be well underway by this time. It's rumored that they're actually going to put a show inside of the WaterWorld Theater. You got the cast of WaterWorld out here. This little wiener dog here is feeling real good. Look at that.
I never thought I'd say.
Some of us get boxes, some of us get super cool high-tech drunk.
We're getting dried off over here.
What do you say? You want to come home with us? Yes.
Who will our parents be?
Are we gonna get them?
Or do we not get any?
We didn't get parents.
Wow, we're homeless. Homeless. Over here next to Mel's Drive-In, they have a haunted house under construction. This facade is very, very well along. Look at that. It'll be interesting to see what this turns out to be. Maybe an original and not an IP. In the studio store near the exit of the park, they have an ET Loungefly backpack for $82 and the wallet for $55. They have this Be Good ET shirt and a plethora of ET items. They have this retro Universal felt pennant here with E.T., Back to the Future, and Jaws on it. And this one retails for $13. They have a signed Michael J. Fox Back to the Future Part 2 autograph for $1,125, and a Christopher Lloyd autograph for $575. And then they have the Back to the Future Loungefly. Pretty cool looking backpack, and this one retails for $82.
Alright, it's been a great day with y'all here at the park. Theme Park Shark, signing off.
Wait. Make sure to check out Fast X in theaters now.
Like, subscribe, follow, everything. Hit that button above. Come on.
Ride or die.